were in this stadium the other night for France versus Jamaica, and Jamaica did incredibly well to take that point from one of the tournament favourites. It's already louder in here than the 39,000 that were in that night.
I think the majority of it is the Columbia fans as well. Directly across from us, so many yellow shirts, the excitement even when the team was warming up.
It's already louder in energy than the 39,000 that were in that night. Tim Harry with the throw. Nice turn to start as well. Can they get a strike in at goal? So many yellow shirts on the chain now. Linda Casado. Talk about teenage prospect. All down the line for Ramirez. Well,
that's why they're not three back. And they can get pressure higher at the field, Korea, but they also have the coverage on Ramirez. And she's going to have to be able to mix up her runs throughout this game. At times, just check back to link play, use her physical presence to allow for others to join in the build.
Bedoya. Acedo. Aurelien Carabali had been a doubt for this match, having picked up a form of flu. And so throw into Colombia. Arias. Now here's Ramirez. And she's run a corner for Colombia.
We're talking about G on the other side with her ability to serve balls in. But Usme, left-footed winger for Colombia. Excellent service. This will be an in-swinger. And you have players like Ramirez, Carabali, who will be the targets.
Oh, Catalina Usme has a fabulous left foot. Scores from set pieces. What about this corner? There you go. Straight out play. Told you she was good. Hey? Put the goalkeeper Yun under some pressure. Plays in Colombia with America Klokalu. The boy with the header down. Venegas. Usme. Venegas forward, looking for Ramirez. Such a key component in holding up the ball, but put under pressure. Wide shoot. There's Caicedo, who's fouled. Going to be an interesting matchup on that flank.
Yeah, it certainly will be. And you like the few touches that Caicedo is getting in this game. In the early parts, we didn't see much of her. And these are the fouls that you expect to see from South Korea. Want to get tight, not allow her to turn because she's exceptional when she gets faced up, can drive at the